Howdy coin engineers, welcome to our channel. Today I want to give some tips and advices about trading and having mental heals about trading and trading psychology. That's it. Everybody can touch long or short button for making profit and making some monies, but it's not so good and it's not working very well on the bearish season because the crypto market and in general all of financial markets has two seasons like bullish seasons and bearish seasons. Maybe you can make a profit on the bullish season because it's so easy, especially on the crypto market, but you can't keep your portfolio on the long term. I think every trader must watch this video for learning how can they manage and control their mental health and their trader psychology. That's it about that. Let's get started. I have a video about that. Hey dude, if you are in the bearish season, probably you can't make a profit, make a lots of money because of the state of market. But on the other hand, if you are in the bullish season, you absolutely will make spontaneously lots of profits. But it absolutely not means that you don't need any knowledges, any learnings, any materials about technical analysis, fundamental, on-chain, etc. Another type of analysis. It's not so true. It's absolutely and completely not so true. Because everybody and every trader, especially you wanna be a trader, you absolutely need in a technical analysis. At least you must have technical analysis knowledge for being real trader. On the other hand, you will make a lots of losses and you can't make any profits from there as in this method, as in this way. That's why today in this video I'm gonna provide you some technical analysis knowledges, and I will say you about importance of technical analysis. First of all, I must mention that what is a technical analysis? Technical analysis, as you can see in this photo, by the way, this photo absolutely belongs to me. Technical analysis is just method of analysis. And you can use this method of analysis, I mean technical analysis, as known as TA. You can just see in there in some traders just says the TA, I mean technical analysis. Technical analysis is a method of analysis that allows you to make predictions about where the price will go by using statistical knowledge. Please keep on your eye in there because as you can see in there, statistical knowledge, I mean technical analysis is not so usual method of analysis because technical analysis is using just statistical knowledges, and then you can absolutely trust and you can secure your portfolio and making potential profits from the statistical knowledges thanks to technical analysis. By the way, it's not so a long way for making lots of profits, for making 100% successful trades, because you need a lot of supporting analysis like on-chain analysis, fundamental analysis. But in this video, I'm gonna mention just about technical analysis. Yes, statistical knowledge and determining the supply and demand zone in the graphs. What are supply and demand zone? It's the topic of another videos. I'm gonna mention about that. I wanna make sure you do it. But in there, I must mention that supply and demand zone, I think so they are just real value of the price, and you can just click and use the zones for clicking short button and buy button. I mean supply is located on the premium area of the price and demand zone is located on the other hand on discount area of zone. In this way, you absolutely can use supply zones for being on the long position. On the other hand, you can use demand zone for getting long position. That's it about that from now on. And as you can see in there, some price action and price movements, and then as you can see risk reward ratio in there, about a little bit information about formations, and you can see price movement and predictions, just 50-50. And then before from there, I want to mention that short-term transactions or positions. Like any short-term transactions, there's no guarantee of profit in the transactions we do with technical analysis. However, our chances of winning are much higher than those who do not use technical analysis. That's absolutely true. It's not negotiable, dude. Okay. For example, as you can see in the technical analysis, just using for predictions or making a predictions on the graphs, as you can see in these sentences. I already said that. And then if price have on them any movement, it will be on the upside. We're using just 50%. On the other hand, the price can do downtrend on the 50%. For example, if you have a lot of technical analysis knowledge or price action knowledge, doesn't matter, and you can predict and you can absolutely believe this price will move and the price will increase 100%, and then you can get any news about Bitcoin, for example, and then Bitcoin drop it dramatically from because of this news. In there, you must have and use fundamental analysis simultaneously technical analysis, because I say it again, technical analysis is not just for getting 100% writing. As you can see in there, price can up or down. You can just predict, but you can't sure about that, dude. But I must mention that it's working very well. I mean, that graphics 50-50%, and you can't predict absolutely in just short terms, because technical analysis is working very well on the long-term positions. And if you are day trader or swing trader, you can absolutely trust price action method or in general technical analysis method. As you can see in there, we have just TA. As you can see in there, we have just formations, and you can see price movements as symmetrically, and then price using these supply areas. And as you can see in there, we have a triple tap, and then price drop it dramatically. In there, we have a stop loss on our positions of 40%, and we have a take a profit on the 60%. In there, I want to move risk reward. In there, I want to move about risk reward ratio, because in there, as you can see, in just 10 positions on transactions where our risk reward ratio will be like that, our profit it will be just 12R, and then our loss will be 4R because of this percent, as you can see from this photo. And our net balance will change like this, and we can predict our 8R after doing this transaction or position successfully thanks to risk reward ratio and risk reward analysis. And then you can increase this 50 transaction or positions, 100, 1000 positions. It's not better, it's not so changeable because of that. Let's try them on the trading view on the chart. And as you can see, we are on the Bitcoin USDT parity, and this parity, I mean Bitcoin assets price on in movement, and the price movement doing some swing points, and price is down immediately because of the lowing swing points. As you can see in there, we have a lower low points. If you can see on your charts lower low points, that means the price will drop it dramatically or immediately, doesn't matter, but I want to make sure you do it. If you are see in a lower low points more than 2 times or 3 times, that means price will drop it dramatically. And as you can see in there, the downtrend has ended in there, and then the market evolved from bearish parity from bullish, and as you can see in there, price rocketed and soared. And after the rocketed movement, price has indeed just base points, base area. This formation is named of rally base drop. It's the seasonal cycles of on the financial markets as on the crypto market. And indeed we have just range, and some traders indeed just doing range trade. For example, we have a range high and range low areas, and we have just 0 point. And as you can see, price is using this area. For example, this area is just range low, and range low is just resistance area, and range high as the same method is using on the crypto market as a support area. And as you can see indeed, we have just one supply area, and price can't break from this area, and then it will be dropped dramatically again, and then we have base zone again, and then price start to increasing. I want to share with you using this chart and price movement. Price on the fractal movement on the especially long-term frame, and it's not so changeable. And if you want to be a real trader, you have a knowledge, you absolutely and completely have a knowledge about the fractal and seasonal price movements, because price action using statistical knowledge, yes, that's true, but at the same time technical analysis is using this fractal movements because it's working very well, just dude. And you can see for predicting and making a lots of money and profits for doing this. That's it about that, dudes. I hope this video is working very well for you, for being a lot of technical analysis. At least you can understand what is mean technical analysis and what is importance of technical analysis, and how can I use and how can I get a lot of knowledge on this site, and how can I directed my knowledge or my trading career as a profession. Sure, if you want to be really want to be for trade. Nevertheless, if you want to learn any more, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, follow on Twitter, join Telegram. See you on the next bullish time.